Hello students, welcome back. Today we will be continuing our chapter number 9, that is Introduction to Excel 2016. In previous video we have discussed about rows, we have discussed about columns, we have discussed about active cells and cells. We have also discussed about name box. So for that naming it, we need to understand the rows and column, which you now know where are the rows and what are the columns. So like if I click here, so what will happen? The first row will be appeared and then what will appear? The column will be appeared. Like if you see here K7, here what is happening in K7? The K7 में क्या है? K is the row and 7 is the column. K is the row and 7 is the column. So from here we understand that this is how a name box or we can give a name to the cell. Like if I click here, then what is happening? E7. E7. Now see, E is the row and 7th is the column. So this is how we can give the name to any of the cell. Like D5. D is the row. As I have said, A, B, C, D is the rows and 1, 2, 3 are the column. So if you click here, so D5, rows and column. Now, after that, now you know what are the rows and column. Now we will see that how to enter text. For entering the text, what we actually need to do. टेक्स्ट को एंटर करने के लिए हम लोगों को करना क्या है? We just need to select the cell and need to type. Very easy to type. Select the cell and type it. This is how we can type. Now, how many rows and how many columns are there? You would be thinking. Now, just see how many rows and columns are there. There are many rows and columns. मतलब कि बहुत ज़्यादा है. Just see here. Like if I am doing C, it is not ending at Z. Z के बाद क्या आ रहा है हमारा? A आ रहा है. A is coming, है ना? You can see A. So there are like 16,384 columns, okay, and 10,48,576 rows. So there are this many number of rows as well as this many number of columns present in worksheet, है ना? So it will be continued, है ना? As you know, see here it is increasing like this. So there are many rows and many columns. Now just see here for once for the column. Column के लिए we will go once down. यहाँ देखो, we can go down like 16,384 columns, है ना? These many columns are there. Means इतना entry हम लोग एक पेज में कर सकते हैं. Okay. So there are many rows and columns. Let me just write. Many rows are there. 10,48,576, and in columns we have seen it has like 16,384. Okay, so these many columns are there. Now you know how to name the cell. Now we will discuss about worksheet. In previous video I have said that we have 3 default worksheet, that is worksheet 1, worksheet 2 and worksheet 3. Like this we have worked. Worksheet 1, here you see worksheet 1, worksheet 2 and worksheet 3. These are the 3 worksheet, that is default. Default का मतलब क्या है कि वो पहले से है, ठीक है? So do not get confused in default. Now if you want to add one more, so for that what we need to do, here is the sign, this you can see this sign, we will just click. जैसे ही click करोगे यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? sheet 4 आएगा. If you want to add more, again give a click, sheet 5, again give a click, sheet 6. So like this we can add as many number of sheets we want. You just look like this. We have only sheet 1. Previously we only had sheet 1. Now we have sheet 2, sheet 3, Sheet 4, you can insert some picture here. Sheet 5, you can insert your mark sheet. In sheet 6, है ना? So these many sheets we can insert. Now we can also rename these sheets. Now how to rename it? For renaming it, what we need to do is just do a right click, है ना? And there are the options. Insert करना है, insert कर लो. Not like that. Like if you want to rename कर लो. I will be giving it name as class 5, है ना? 5A. Or if I want to rename it, like right click and click on rename. Now type here class 5B. So like this we can rename it. If you want to delete any sheet, for that what we need to do, just right click any of the sheet and click on delete. It will be deleted. देखो delete हो गया. I will be deleting, or just delete it like this. Now just minimize it and see. अब इसका क्या sheet 1 है, sheet 2 है, 5A and 5B. So these are worksheet. ये सब worksheet है. देखो there is no effect of the name on the workbook. The name of the book is still book 2, है ना? ये सब सारा किसमें सेव हो रहा है? वर्कशीट में ही हो रहा है. So no need to save the worksheet again and again. You do not need to save like this. You have worked in sheet 1. Now you need to save. No. If you're working in sheet 2, now you think you have to save. No. ऐसा नहीं है. You do all the works required. Whatever requirement is there, how many sheets you need, you use it, and then directly we will go and save it. Like you go on file, from there we will be saving it. और याद रखो हमेशा वो book save होता है. See here, save as type Excel workbook. यहाँ पे worksheet नहीं लिखा है. Please keep in mind, worksheet नहीं लिखा है, workbook लिखा है. Workbook means all these worksheets will be saved in one book only. Like different worksheets combined, and it makes workbook. So like I am typing here computer class test whatever. ठीक है? So like this I have given save. I will be saving it on desktop. Desktop select कर लो if you want to save on desktop and click on save. Now see, the name will be changed. One minute. The name will be changed. Here you see. What is written here now? Computer class test. And this is the worksheet. ये क्या है? Worksheet. Now I will be closing it and I will be showing here it has been saved, है ना? Now यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Microsoft Excel worksheet लिखा है. What is written here? Microsoft Excel worksheet, है ना? And it is written like what are the size? We will just double click it and open it. It is just open हो गया. See, whatever work we have done, that has been saved in that workbook only. So no need to save the worksheets again and again. See my dear children, students get confused. That's why I am explaining it, that we do not need to save the worksheets separately. You just need to save the worksheet. So this was the concept of worksheet and workbook. And default we have 3 worksheets, and we can add as many worksheets we want in our workbook. So my dear children, this was today's video, and in next video I will be explaining how to enter the text or format it, or how to write the formulas. So I hope you would have understood it. Please do practice it if you have laptops at your home then. Thank you my dear children.